Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, I don't know what's happening, but it's Friday again, people. Yesterday was Monday, if I remember correctly. Now it's Friday. Okay, joke aside, let's go on Bitcoin on daily. I see something nice there. I see the gap trying to get filled on CME. Okay, look at it. Slowly, looks like we'll fill this gap. That could be nice. And we had nice trades yesterday. And if we'll fill the gap, we'll make some money. That's even better than just filling the gap. Morning, Catalin. Morning, Marius, Matthias, Ivan, Bova, Pip, Andrei, Bucur. Hey everyone. We have sound, we have video, so let's start. I was a bit lazy this morning. And even Bucur asked me what happened. Nothing happened, I'm just lazy this morning. I'm a bit late. But nothing else. Gap is like we can use it for a new trade because I think this is 38.2 in the gap. So let's try to find out. Okay, low. Let's put a pump chaser zone. Well, you can see 38.2. It's exactly here, just a bit below the gap. So we can touch 38.2. I think we can. At least that's the first level we should pay attention to. I don't know what happened overnight, but seems like everything, or almost everything, everything is red. Look at it. Mavia doesn't care about... someone, please tell Mavia that Bitcoin is dropping. He didn't find out yet. So, last night everything was looking up and now everything is looking down. Like Bucur loves to say, to the moon. Morning, Stefan. Morning. Morning, Menace. Yeah, to the moon. Just flip that fucking chart. Okay, so gap. If we'll stay in the gap here and let's think about 1 hour, 50-minute chart. We'll see a W at the gap low at 84. That could be a nice area to hunt along. We'll have to wait to see how indicators, how everything looks on lower time frame at that point in time, but could be an opportunity there. But overall, we pushed higher and higher, higher and higher, slowly. In the resistance, we discussed that this is a resistance level. We should not think long there. Okay, and you can see we are rejecting from that level. Nothing special, nothing extraordinary. No, it's just normal price action. When I see people overreacting, well, look what's happening. What's happening? The chart is doing what is doing. The market is doing what has to do. It's nothing special there. But you can see we are still in this uptrend channel. You can see it to the naked eye that this is a channel. But at the same time, if we go sideways, this looks like an EM on daily. Well, let's put a line chart. There you go. Can you see? Here we have low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Here we have something different on daily. Keep in mind, people, if we'll close bearish, we'll have this EM. Because if we'll close back above this level, then we don't have anything. Actually, we'll have a higher high probably. But you can see the difference. If you don't see it when you have candles, you are a beginner, you can put on the line chart and you'll understand better the price action. The line chart is just giving you the opening of the candle and close of the candle. So you'll see it a bit better, the structure in the market. The disadvantage of line chart, you don't have wicks, you don't have tails. You have opening and closing of the candle. If we'll close like this, if we'll go and close in the gap or lower, that's a nice yam. But if we have an yam, we should not short here or in the gap. We should short at the retest of the neckline of that yam. Okay? Let's put the candles back. So for today, let's see what will happen. We'll close the gap or not. That's Bitcoin on CME. If I put the classic chart similar, rejection from this level, you can see indecision candle, indecision. Well, seems like we decided last night that we want back down. Indicators, well, you can see the M and RSI in the fucking 50 line. That's not a good sign. It's the first one, so I should not put too much weight on it. It's not the second M through RSI, it's the first one, so it's just a signal there. Nothing special on OBV. So we can play fib pong here. Let's assume that this is the low for the moment and this is the high. We have support here in the pump chaser zone. Here we can even put a pump chaser zone. There you go. You can see the support here. So this is a buying opportunity, hunting long ideas. If you see a W on 4-hour chart, for example, or 1 hour, or if this level will not give us a W, then we should think long reload zone. Yeah, try to keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things here. Simple is better, easier to execute. For the moment, we want to see what's happening in the pump chaser zone, if the market will go there. Okay, that's Bitcoin. Ethereum, weak like shit. Come on, look at it. Bitcoin is not even touching the 38.2, is not even in the pump chaser zone, and Ethereum it's already close to the 61.8. Come on, look at it. Weak. Seems like 38.2 was enough to stop Ethereum. We like it or we don't like it, that's the reality. No W the other side of this trend line, nothing. We had a bit of hope here that is outperforming and said no, sorry. Where we should wait, here in the long reload zone for a W. On the good side is that now we are back below $2,000. That means we can add to our investment part if you want, depending on your plan. If your plan says every time that is coming back down below 2000 you buy a little bit, then yeah. If you are doing it on weekly basis, then you should wait until the next week. Who knows, maybe you'll get a better price. Respect your plan, but Ethereum below $2,000 for me doesn't seem a bad idea. That doesn't mean I'll go and sell my house and my kidneys for Ethereum. Now, that's Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Look at it, new lows. You know, everything we draw here, we should do something like this. It's not valid anymore. Nothing. We made a new low. We should rethink everything. Okay? Could be this an SFU? Probably it's an SFU and we'll recover a little bit, at least to retest this level. If you are trading this chart, you should think about an SFU on 1 hour, for example. Yeah? And I think you already have something there. Because there are people that love to trade this chart. And honestly, it's behaving okay. Now you can see this is the SFU level. Let's put the SFU long. There you go. And if you close like this, then you have an opportunity to take a long idea. It's not scalping, it's day trading on 1 hour. But if you close in 20 minutes like this, that should be your trade. Let's think 2 to 1, not more than that. Okay? I could assume here that we can bounce to retest this level. Yes, for sure. But you don't want to take this trade until we will see a close above the SFU level. This candle is not closed, so wait a little bit more. And if you will reach this level, don't close the entire trade. You could look at like a genius if this was the last SFU and the market will bounce here strong. Yeah? You can look like a genius. You say, well, fuck it, I bought the bottom. Look at me. Who knows? Slow and steady. I'm not trading this chart. So I'm not trading it. I'm just showing you some ideas, some potential ones. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance, for example, is the only chart that is pushing higher. Let's put daily. What do we have here? Still in the range, but at the top of the range. Yeah? Everyone said, well, no, it will go down. Well, and let it prove ourselves that it's anything else than a range. You know, market loves to range 70 to 80% of the time. So I'll assume a fake out. I'll assume the market will go back to the middle of the range. If the market is in a trend and is doing something different, something special, okay, then prove me, show me something. And here we didn't have anything. We had classic range, yeah, rejection, and then we formed equal highs, equal lows. Now we're at the top. If we'll accept above this level, I'll still assume it's a fake out, and probably will stop here at 61.8 or middle of the short reload zone and deviate a little bit and then back down at the range. At least that's my thinking. So that's the overview, people. Total market cap, nothing special. Exactly like Bitcoin, you can see the same pattern. Overall, on higher time frame, if you look on total market cap, you can see lower highs, lower lows. Well, here we can kind of internally did a higher high, but if you look overall, we didn't trade above 3 trillion, above 3.1, so still in this downtrend channel. Good morning, Robert. Good morning, Easy. So still in this downtrend channel, nothing special. Total trade similar. Altcoins. We had some trades. Let's see. We are still in it. Yeah, it's a retest of that daily W. If you still have the trade, well, it's up to you what you want to do. I'm in the trade, and I'm okay with the market hitting my stop loss if it will be the case. I'm not doing anything else. When we'll hit, if we'll hit 1-to-1, then I'll decide. But before 1-to-1, I'm not allowed to fuck around. I took this trade and now live with the results. Either take profit, either stop loss. Well, it's just a trade after all. SSV, weak like shit. We said it multiple times. But still holding that level. Huh? Still holding. It's not going straight down for the moment. So on higher time frame, on daily, somehow strong altcoins. I don't know what strong and really strong means. If Bitcoin will not drop like a hammer, well, this will be a nice retest for most of the altcoins. Okay? Some of them will make new lows. Some of them will just retest the W. I don't know. Anyone knows why the market dropped like this in the overnight session? Clear rejection here. You can see the trend line. Anyone knows what happened? I didn't have time. I was lazy this morning, so I didn't have time to study the Twitter to tell me what happened. Everything looks kind of similar. Combo got delisted from Binance. Okay. Then everything looks similar, people. You can see. Let's find Tia. Let's find Tia. There you go. TI is stronger than the rest. For the moment, you can see a lot different from what you see on a regular shitcoin and what's happening here on TI. Yeah? Different from SSV, for example. Look at it. And when you put TI, different. Something is, it's in a range, it's consolidating, it's going sideways. It's not so eager to follow Bitcoin. Oh, it's better than most of the coins. Red, all over the place. Ren doesn't care about it, it's already oversold at the low, so. But if you like Ren, well, nice location. Hunt a W here is not bad. Well, I think it's the moment for me seeing this drop. I'll wait a little bit more to see what happens. But I think it's moment to add another round of buying on Last Chance Challenge. Because we have this drop. Why not? Looks like a good level. Looks like a good dip to add a little bit more. So I think I'll do it. Options running out today. Well, when options are running out today, Matthias, usually the market will do the move one day before. So yesterday was the time to move the market, not today. But it's possible. Okay, that's the overview on higher time frame. Higher time frame altcoins, if you still have a dollar cost averaging plan, if you have something, good levels to hunt on altcoins. Yeah. When you have a dollar cost averaging plan, people, you love red. Yeah? You love red. When you see the market going down, you become greedy. Why? You'll buy more coins. We'll get there, Tug Life. And we talked about ENA on higher time frame. You want lower time frame? Let's put 1 hour chart. Let's see. We see something different. Let's hide the ink. Maybe it's for higher time frame. You see some yams here. This is the area you can see. 37, 35 cents. This is the area you can see. This is the support. If you put a volume profile, I'll understand what I'm saying. Okay? Look at the POC. This is the area. At the POC, hunt for a double in this area. On 1 hour and... Okay. Let's put back the higher time frame. Let's hide the volume profile. Now, let's go on lower time frame to play around a little bit. So, what we had? Yesterday, if you remember, we had this yam. We made money on this short. Some smart ones, like Bukur, for example, staying in front of their computer, managed to get this SFU here. A nice trade, Bukur, nice one. I didn't manage to do it. I just took a break, did something else. When I come back, nothing. Too late for me. But when I got the shark, I took the shark. When I got at 1-to-1, I make it risk-free. I didn't move my stop loss here. I just let my stop loss all the way up there, make it a risk-free trade. After that, we saw these W's here. You saw Tolga posting for everyone. Well, look at the AB equals CD setup, which was correct, really nice one. Here in this high, we managed to get risk-free. Stop loss at the original place, close 50% of the trade at 1-to-1. At the end, we had a nice winning trade. We discussed this one in the yesterday live stream. This one was risk-free, this one was risk-free. And after that, I said, well, fuck it, I need to sleep. In the morning, this trade was stopped out. This one made me nice money. Because I had the risk-free, I didn't have a clear take profit in the market. So I'm still short, people, with this trade, which is okay. I cannot complain. Well, for the moment, it's kind of 5 to 1. Yeah, 1% will be kind of 5%. Keep in mind, we close 50% of the trade, so we are 2.5% in profit with this one. And we didn't lost any money on this one. Doesn't get better than this. Yeah? And some people don't find trades in crypto. Come on. Yeah? Doesn't get better than this, people. In this short to make money, in this long. Some people made money. Get risk free here, get risk free here. One long, one short, risk free in both of them. The worst thing could happen last night was a dark maul candle to destroy both of them. But, well, they are risk free. I cannot lose money. The best scenario is this one. Look at it. So doesn't get better than that. It's not every day like this, but I think we are doing a damn good job on Crypto Traders Arena. And keep in mind, people, this trade, the initial one was for everyone. I posted on, I discussed it in the live stream. I posted in the chat, no reaction. Seems like people are not interested in trading anymore. At least not most of them. They are here, they are watching us, but that's it. Even now here, I don't see too many reaction in the live stream. 14 likes? Come on. I'm not feeding myself with likes, don't get me wrong. I'm not an influencer. But I'll enjoy, for example, to see more reposts like this. Yeah, 6 reposts. The same people every time. Thank you, guys. But seeing 150, 200 people watching the live stream and only 6, 7, 10 reposts, it's a bit disappointing, people. You are not paying money, you are just clicking. One fucking click. 2 of them. Come on. It's doable, people. Show some love. Let's not call it otherwise. Okay, now what we can do here? The trade, this trade is almost done. This one is out. Yeah. What we can do? Well, not too many things. We can hunt long ideas, because if we take this low and we take this high, we are at 61.8. We are getting in the long reload zone. Why I'm not touching 61.8 and I don't want to do anything for the moment? Well, if you go back on a CME chart, you'll see that we kind of have a gap in the long reload zone. So maybe it's better to wait a little bit, just a little bit, for that gap maybe to close and then to form a W. So I'm not eager to play long here for the moment. I want some Ws, I want some clear setups. So show me some, I have location, show me some bullish divergence. Well, we have some potential, but nothing special, so no. And after you'll show me some clear bullish divergence, then show me some Ws. Show me a bit of structure there to be able to hunt long ideas. If you are still short with us, with this trade, you should be. I don't see why not. You had to fuck around overnight to do something stupid not to be in the trade. Well, just enjoy it. Huh? Until you'll see a W here, I don't think it's anything we can do. Yesterday I saw too many Twitter guys posting to the moon, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. Well, to the moon then. You can see here, to the moon is red. Everything is red. Now, that's Bitcoin. Waiting for a long here. Don't overcomplicate things, people. You can watch the look at market from different angles, but choose the simplest one. Long reload zone, initial W, wait here. Okay? Okay. Ethereum, well, You can see what I see here. Nothing special. Big palm chaser zone. If we take this one from the on futures from $1,750 until the high, we are kind of the palm chaser zone. But if you remove all the things, some people I think they still have this trade. Some VIP guys, I think they still have this short from the top, which is not bad. Let's clean it up a little bit, people. This is not valid anymore. This will be if will be. You can see we had the pump chaser zone, but no W. Now, what we can do with the pump chaser zone? Fuck it. Let's change it in the long reload zone. There you go. So, similar like on Bitcoin, we should wait here for something. Some liquidity to hunt here. With or without heat map, you'll understand. We had this level, you can see support and resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, and now we accept it back below. So this level is resistance again. Okay? Was well respected, will probably be well respected in the future, and look at it. Yeah? We accepted back below. Let's zoom in. Yeah? We accepted back below here. We retested that level and we went lower. I don't see strength on Ethereum for the moment. So I'll gladly wait here in the long reload zone for a potential long. To short Ethereum here now. If you didn't short it 2100 or 2100, don't short. Okay. Okay, people, that's Ethereum on a lower time frame. Let's change on 1 hour. I think it's better. Look on some altcoins. Hype. I told you, wait for a W here. I can see it's doing like everything else. This tail here needs a retest. Maybe even lower, maybe an SFU, who knows? They dumped and pumped and dumped and pumped because they had that event with Binance and Jelly Belly and so on. But that's over now. Reality will kick in and will tell, well, actually, we need to consolidate a bit lower. Anything else? I don't know if it's the case. E-gold, well, going back down like everything else. Just another shitcoin. Tia strong. Nothing to complain. Even if I'll put the spot chart, I think we are still okay for the moment. There you go. Risk-free in this one. We discussed to make it risk-free here at the highs. But still slightly in profit. Not bad. New trade here? Nah. Just leave it alone. You remember this one? Yeah, on yes. I'm not saying that to trade yes, but you get the idea. Pump chaser zone, gap, filling the gap. Some people said, well, we fill the gap, so what? Filling the gap is just one reason to stop. Well, to stop bleeding. Yeah, okay, we fill the gap, but reality is that we need lower. Seems like. Yeah, down, AB equals CD is pointing out a bit lower. Can you see the AB equals CD? AB, CD, here in the 50 line, maybe a bit lower. It's simple, people. Nothing special. Let's take the entire thing until here. This is AB, this is CD. Looking left, this is the POC. If you put the POC, probably. This is the POC here. But you get the idea. And after you complete this AB equals CD, we'll have to reassess. Well, let's wait and see. Maybe we have a setup or not. Someone said about Litecoin. Well, Well, we need to zoom out for Litecoin, Achilles. We need to zoom out. Bear flag going down. I'll say like other people say. I'm just saying. Bull flag, bear flag. Sorry, down, lower in the long reload zone. Test this week low. Who knows? Anyway, no setup there. No setup. You have an EM now. You have actually, if you look closely in this so-called bear flag range, call it whatever you want, you have shoulder, head, shoulder, down. Even you have a MACD divergence here, which is confirming the head and shoulder pattern. Trend line, respecting the trend line, you can see. Initial trend line here. Well respected. Well, it's good to have this trend line on the chart. At some point in time, the market will go and do a W the other side. And that could be a setup for us. For the moment, it's just telling us that it's respecting that level. I don't see a setup there. Lower. Like you see Bukur saying. Lower. Well, Bukur, either is lower, either is to the moon. Decide, please. But actually lower and to the moon with the chart flipped is the same thing, no? Okay. People, everything is red. You see it by yourself. I don't need to show you that the market is correcting. If you are a day trader, 4 hour, 1 hour chart, okay, wait for W's. If you have location, let's trade it classically, people. That's the best idea. So what you need first for a general setup? All of you should know general setup. Doesn't matter, you are from TRI, you are new, you are only from Crypto Traders Arena. You should know general setup. TRIers, we call it 3-step setup, we call it general setup. General setup is a bit more general than 3-step setup, but it's damn similar. Okay, I didn't reinvent the wheel here. You need location. Either is pump chaser zone, either is long reload zone, or below reload zone. That's location. First reason. Without that reason, nothing you can do. The second one, some indicator confirmation. Either indicator are confirming the price action, either you have bullish divergence in this case. That's the second one. After you have confirmed bullish divergence, you should look for market structure. That means W's. I don't see all three reasons here. What I can see, some altcoins are getting in the location on 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Some of them are retesting the initial daily W, which could be a location also. So hunting a lower time frame, another W, not bad. It's Friday. Maybe something is happening and we don't have the details. Anyway, public will get the details only at the end, just to manipulate them. Yeah? We are not insiders when it comes to talk about the news. No? The news are for the public. When they'll get the news is the end of the move. We'll see. Slow and steady. If we'll see setups, usually we post on Premium and VIP. Sometimes if it's okay, I think we can post even on General. But because I don't see any fucking reaction from the people in General, honestly, I don't feel the need to post anything. Because we do this live stream, okay, maybe I'm not the best. Maybe I'm just a stupid trader. But from time to time, I'm still feeding you with some nice ideas. And I don't see any fucking reaction. So, I just don't see why I should feed you with trade ideas. Why I should tell Tolga post for general people also. People, a reaction is not to sell a kidney and give it to Crypto Traders Arena. Come on. It's doable. Okay. IOTA. That shitcoin is still here. Still alive. You can see I have a lot of ink from some time in the past. Remove everything. See the weekly chart. That's the way you should do it. Start with weekly chart. Well, what we have here? Add the support, add the lows, add the fucking POC. Okay, you know, that's the first you should look. So you have a good location here on, if you are an investor. Well, not too many things you can say. We dumped and we pumped, but without a clear weekly W. Last time when we had a weekly W here, was this W here. W, breakout, retest, up. Okay? Now, we did a V-top. Put a long reload zone. Well, we are below 78.6. It's interesting for an investor. What will be even more interesting is to have a W, weekly W. We don't have something like that. Nothing special on the indicators. On weekly. On daily, maybe yes. So let's put daily. On weekly, we have good location, and that's about it. But as an investor, with a good location, you are okay. You can use dollar cost average there. On daily, if you take the location from the higher time frame, you are more than okay. If you take this one, for example, the last bounce, well, you should think pump chases zone first. But if you are eager to trade this one, I could see something like this as a trade. Something like this. Inside we took some highs. Okay, it's okay to take 61.8. Stop loss all the way down here. And hunt candle body highs from the last pump. Okay? 4.5, 4.2. Not bad. And on lower time frame, you can see here on a daily, you have bullish divergence. You have bullish divergence, you have damn location that's there from higher time frame, and you have some W's. So, bullish divergence, W on the price, breakout, retest, take this level is not bad. Okay? So yeah, IOTA, if it's still there and if it's still trading, well, they have a strong community if I remember correctly. Well, people, we have 40 minutes already. I'll take one more. Yeah, well, something different. Let's take rare. What the fuck is rare? Shitcoin. You know that it's a shitcoin that's looking on daily is looking totally similar. Yeah, if I'll put weekly chart, we are at the bottom of the range. I don't see any W on this one yet. Weekly W, I mean. Now, if I'll go on daily, well, we had a pump and dump, and now we're getting back down. We have a good location, but that's about it. 78.6. Bullish divergence in the last move down, which is okay. Pump back down. If we'll see a W here, not bad on this one. Investing wise on weekly chart, yeah, it's okay to dollar cost average. It's okay to use little old lady. It's okay to invest small amounts. Okay. You have this big M now above, which is not the best. Maybe you'll consolidate longer. But a W in 78.6 could trigger a trade. I don't like straight up here. Why I don't like it? Well, this candle needs a retest usually. Yeah. ICT people say, well, you need to retest this candle. And they're right. So yeah, good location and nothing more than that. Good location, some old bullish divergence. You need a clear double here. Well, people, that being said, yeah, we can stay more here, but I don't see the point. I don't know. I'm a bit disappointed by the reaction of the people. We have 1,500 people and they are not reacting. They are not. I want an active community. I don't want a big community. I want a strong one. An active one. So maybe I'm overreacting and I want more than I should want from the community. But in the same time, reposting, I don't think it's something so difficult to do. I know that when the market will be at the all-time high, everyone will be active, everyone will be the best trader, everyone will react, will give me likes, will tell me that I'm the best trader. Now I want to see a consistency, people, not at the top. At the top is for the public, for the moon boys. Now I want to see, well, the market is dropping, what the fuck I should buy? I want to see you are different from the public, from the moon boys, from the general public. I want you to be different. Yeah? To be greedy when others are selling the bottom. Well, for Andrei, let's do one more. For our chart, well, you had a W here on daily. You can see we have a support here. We completed an AB equals CD. Unfortunately, it's similar, Andrei. We need a W. You don't have even a good location here for our chart. YM above you, which will give you the possibility to put a house level D here, and that will give you some ideas. Yeah, first stop is here in the long reload zone, second one it's a lot lower. Yeah? New lows. But if you see a W like this, or some kind of W in the long reload zone, well, okay. But you can see house level is telling you if we'll accept below this level, then we'll make new lows. How low? Well, you have levels below. It's okay to think long here and hunt W's. Okay? Hunt W's here is not bad. You have this kind of W retest. Here you have the POC probably. Let's put the volume. You can see. We are getting in the POC. So hunt W's here and you are okay. Yeah. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. It's Friday. Market is dropping. Let's wait for clear setups on lower time frame. Clear setups is the best. We have kind of a long reload zone on lower time frame on 1 hour and lower. We made money with this short. Let's wait for a clear setup and let's make money again if it will be possible. Keep in mind, respect the damn risk management because we don't have crystal balls here. We have win rate. Yeah? And win rate means that some of our trades will go belly up. Usually my win rate is below 60%. So at least 40% of my trades will go belly up and will hit the stop loss. Yeah? So respect the risk management. Don't put more than 1% in one fucking trade. If you are a day trader scalper, 0.5 when the market is bad. 1 is acceptable. Swing traders, 1% it's ideal. Well, you want to risk more, you have something AA plus kind of setup. I hate that term, but that's a different story. Yeah? A setup, it's a setup. If I have it in my plan, it's not AA or BB or CC. It's just a fucking setup. I already select them in my plan. If it's there, that means it's good. Okay? But anyway, that's my different story. Let's say you want to, as swing trader, you want to risk 2%. Okay. But more than that is stupid. So it's following the plan or it's just stupid. Okay. I'm starting to blab away, to rant, and I'll miss the setups. Okay, people, see you next time. Sunday and the weekly crypto review, I think, is the next live stream. Bye bye.